Welcome to Flash Instincts. Today we're going to give a realistic technical analysis of microvision, ticker MVIS. Now a lot of people will not like this video because you think I'm just blindly bullish on microvision, which is not true. Microvision is at the moment at a bear signal. It is extremely bear at the moment. I'm going to look at the charts and I'm going to tell you some specific patterns that I'm noticing. So over the month since March, April, May, microvision is extremely volatile, extremely volatile. However, we do have a lot of people in the Reddit community. A lot of people are long-time holders for microvision and they do not sell the stock. This in a way is like a hedge fund or a institution purchasing huge shares. The amount of shares accumulated by regular investors for microvision is vast. It is enormous. And therefore it gives a cushion of support. However, microvision is being shorted extremely heavily at the moment. In the beginning of May, microvision has dropped from a peak high of $27 all the way down $13.50, $13.10 multiple times. Now this channel right here where you see in the highlighted green lines, this is a potential buy zone. Okay, this is where you can buy microvision and sell if you go up 50 or 40%. You can keep doing this with microvision if you want. I know a lot of people are long-time holders. You do not like that, but it is the realistic approach here. Okay, instead of a bag holding, you might as well take advantage of the situation. You see these arrows in the bottom? These are extreme lows, supreme lows, which are buy zones since March, April, May. You'll notice that it touched this channel that I put in green lines multiple times, and every time it touched this channel, it bounced off extremely well. Okay, you'll notice that on March 5th, it hit about $10. It bounced all the way to 18. That's huge percentage gains. Then it retracted again and it bounced off of the same channel at around 11:36, bounced straight to $19. It went down yet again, retracted, even went below this channel, hit another low of $10, which was extreme buy zone for microvision. It loves being shorted. People love shorting the stock. However, it bounces back very strong. It shows the buying power of the investors. Also, institutions are low-key buying microvision. They see the potential gain and potential surprise gain for microvision. I'm not talking about anything related to their LiDAR, nothing else regarding their news. I'm just looking at the technical analysis. You'll notice that this channel, again, proves to be very strong. Recently, it bounced right on this channel. It hit $13, went right up to $15, $16. Went retracted yet again, sell off, huge selling power. $13, went right back up to $15. Recently, right now, it's currently at around $14. As of May 7th. Now this is a bear flag. You have bullish flags, you have bear flag. Right now it's a bear flag on microvision and it looks like it really wants to go touchdown to this channel region. It may attempt to hit near $10 region. It may hit $11, $12. $12 is a major buying opportunity for microvision. Also, be aware that you may be head faked in the upcoming future. Do not fall for the head fake. Okay, if it suddenly goes up, take profits and wait for another sell-off to re-enter. Microvision will have multiple opportunities for you to gain wealth. Now we're going to look at the moving averages, something more specific into the regions. You'll notice that every time it goes above the 9-day moving average in pink, you'll see that it's extremely over-purchased. A lot of times the momentum rises from the 9-day MA and it suddenly has a huge run for microvision. You'll see the first time from February, actually the recent time, from February 2nd to all the way to February 16th, microvision had about 200% rise. This was bouncing off the 9-day MA with huge momentum and volume. However, people were taking profits along the way. Now, again, recently, it bounced off this 9-day MA with a bullish volume, huge volume on April 22, and it rose all the way to $28, $27 by April 26. This was a 7-day period of 200% gains yet again. Now, this is how you can take advantage of microvision. You look at the 9-day MA with volume and you can ride it up. However, if you want to look at the short-term plays, you look at the 50-day MA and the 21-day MA. Okay, the 50-day moving average, every time it falls below it, it's an opportunity for short-term buys. Anytime it goes above the 21-day MA in blue is an opportunity to sell for short-term gains. You'll notice that this pattern has been repeating lately very, very often. As soon as it hits below the gray line, which is the 50-day MA, it hits near $13, $14, it instantly rose back, and the next day, even in the same day, above the blue line, which is a 21-day moving average, and huge sell-offs yet again. People are flipping microvision left and right. It is very evident. It is absolutely clear. All right. A lot of people will not like this video. I don't really care. I'm telling you the honest truth. People are flipping microvision stock. They are flipping it and making huge gains. You can hold microvision and go for a buyout. That's what a regular investor can do. But if you're looking at the technicals, there's a lot of opportunities here and you're wasting money and time. Now, this fork light I have drawn here, this is the potential bear flag pattern. It can reach below this channel and go below it in the upcoming days. So be aware. However, recently, as I mentioned before, you will see a head fake, a huge buying pressure in the short term for microvision. Microvision does not have any upcoming news in the short term, and therefore the only chances of it going up is a head fake, going down, staying in this channel, and slowly going up. Microvision has a chance to slowly rise up as long as you're patient with microvision. That's for sure. We do see a long-term gain for microvision. That's a given. We have been going up steadily since last year, since COVID began. Microvision has steadily gone up. Use this channel, this green line. You can draw it in yourself. As soon as it hit these green lines, you can start buying. If it goes above the sky blue line, which is a 21-day moving average, as soon as it hits it or goes above it, you can sell. You can sell and wait for a drop again into this channel. This is going to happen very frequently from the short term being. And again, to summarize it, to ride the momentum up with huge gains, you have to ride above the 9-day MA, which is in the pink, with huge volume momentum. When the huge volume momentum occurs on microvision above 200 million volume and it bounces off of this 9-day moving average, you have potential for 100 to 200% gains for microvision. Again, I'm repeating the patterns because this pattern has been repeating over multiple times. April 27, huge bounce off. Again, previously on February 2nd to February 17, huge bounce off. And again before that, on December 15th to December 22, 23, huge runs. All right. Now these runs usually take about a month of momentum buildup, and this is what microvision currently needs. We do have some sort of news coming at the end of May regarding Ford and NVIDIA. That's fine. Right now, you have to build up that momentum again to ride this huge bullish run. You can get another potential 100 to 150 to 200% gains on microvision. Yes. But you have to be patient. Right now, it is in a bear territory. It has bear signals. And the only way to take advantage of it is use the moving averages, use the channels given, and buy and sell. With that being said, this is Flash Instincts. If you like this kind of content, make sure you hit the red subscribe button.